Hey, welcome back. Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out what's going on this week. So what we've got here is a Dremel scroll saw. Picked this up, I don't know, a month or so ago at a state sale auction. Believe it or not, got it for 15 bucks. So these, I think, normally sell for, I don't know, $150, $250, somewhere in there. I don't have a scroll saw. Kind of been thinking about getting one and couldn't pass this deal up. So it's a Dremel. It's variable speed, which is kind of cool. It's got a light on it. I don't see a place to put the air port on there, but we'll check that out. But I don't know if it works. I haven't tested it yet. Just, like I said, picked it up and just kind of been in storage until I was ready to get on it. So first things first, let's give it a try. All right, test the light. That'll tell us if we even have power. Yep, good there. Oh, there we go. A little delayed reaction for some reason. Sounds smooth. Okay, thanks for joining, and hope you enjoy this one. All right, it should be free now. So I can get it off here and get it over to my workbench. Does anybody else keep their Allen wrenches like that? Ha! That never happens. First try. There we go. Alright, first order of business is going to be to clean this up. It's been about 24 hours since I put the scroll saw base in the Evaporust. This Evaporust is pretty old, so I'm not sure how effective it was, but we'll take a look and see. I got it rinsed off and dried off pretty good with my air hose. I think the rust, the Evaporust pretty much took care of everything. So now I'm going to get my random orbital sander out and just work through the grits and see how nice I can get it. That is sanded up through the grits to 220. It is slick. So I'm pretty happy with that, and going to stop there and get it taped off and repaint this edge. Alright, I guess I'm going to start my way from the top and work down, just taking it apart and cleaning it. A little bit of paint missing here and here, here. I may just give this a quick spray later. Shocker, more stink bugs than spiders. Alright, I had figured this out. What this piece is, it's an air bellows. That when this arm pumps up and down, it pumps air out of this, which goes on as articulating air hoses that go on these scroll saws. Problem is this part's discontinued, as well as this. Did a pretty exhaustive search on the internet today and couldn't find anything, so we're just going to put it back together the way it is, and should not affect the way it operates. So it is what it is. in the world. This washer pushes the plate in and centers it over the ball, so it makes it really easy to move, and that ball catches in these little detents. And stop. All right, time for my first test. I've just drew a little squiggly line on here. I'll see if I can follow it. Never really used one of these before, so I'm sure it's going to take some getting used to. Not too bad. Missed my line by a good bit. Try it again. Much better that time. I don't think this is the right blade to make that tight of a turn. Practice will get it there. Well, you made it to the end. Thank you. I appreciate you hanging around. Scroll saw is complete. Wasn't really a restoration, just a good old-fashioned tool cleanup. Had to get this thing back in working order. Gave the body a good clean, took it apart, cleaned out the inside, ton of dead bugs. A lot of stink bugs and spiders in there, spider nests. So got all that cleaned out, got the top taken off and sanded down, repainted a lot of the metal pieces that were rusting, the body's aluminum, re-greased the axles or shafts, whatever they're called, for the arms that go up and down, painted the base, and installed a French cleat system for storage. As you saw in my demonstration, I'm not the best at a scroll saw. That was actually the first time I've ever used one. So a little bit of practice, I'll get there. I wish I could get the little air nozzle that comes down from here and replace that bellow, but those parts are no longer available, but I'll always be searching for them. Maybe I'll come across them one day. But a really nice scroll saw. You can tell it's well built. These were expensive when they were new, but got a great deal on it at an estate sale auction, so I'm really happy to have it. Thanks again for watching. If you're interested in what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel because I got a lot more videos coming. Thanks. Have a good one. There we go.